السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد وبارك وسلم. Change yourself first. Don't try to change others. Welcome to Usman Nizami channel. So inshallah in this video we are going to learn a great king story who wanted to change entire country road. So let's start. One time there was a one king. So he had a very big palace. He was very famous king was there. So king, everything he had. So very rare he came out. So that king one day he came out. He went for trip. So he went in some distance. So then he came back. So he complained to the people that because first time this king came out from his palace and he went to his country. So when he returned, what happened? He was feeling pain in his feet. He told to the people that, "Oh people, so see, you cover all the road with the leather. So no one, that earth, that land could not harm to any feet." So when the people heard that king order, the court of the king, all the ministers, they surprised. If we cover all the land, so it takes thousands, the skin of thousands cows, and also the thousands of rupees we have to spend, that one also unnecessary. So how can we tell? Because he is the king. So one of his servants, he dared and he went near the king. "Oh great king, so listen, what do I want that in place of putting the skin on the land, so why don't you put the skin under your feet?" So it means, why don't you make such a shoes that if you wear the shoes, so any stone, anything will not harm you, will not pain you, you can walk safely. Once the king listened, after listening, that king became silent. So what will the king do? Later, king agreed and he stopped and he told that let's make the leather shoes. So my dear friends, in this story, always what do I want? Suppose let's take in our family members, I want to change whole world families. I want to gather them. Is it possible? No. So what I should do? I should change first my family members. Which how can I change them? So I should help and support. Let's take, I have 10 family members, my uncle, my auntie, my grandfather, my grandmother, everyone has at least 10 family relatives are there. So what do I want? That no, I will change whole the world, I will change this area, I will change total city. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. First you change your family, first you change your house, first you start to help in your house. In your house, father and mother, in your house, grandfather and grandmother, your wife, your son and daughter. Now you start to change them. Changes means what? Changes means what? So changes means start to help and support. Don't think that either they are helping you or not. If you think same thing, we cannot walk any one feet. We cannot walk. So change yourself. You start to help your father and mother. You start to help your brother and sister. You start to help your son and daughter. Show them the correct way. No, they are learning from outside. No, I will not tell. Nowadays, parents forget their responsibilities. Parents are sending to the school and they are telling that school person should teach everything. Parents are sending to the college and parents are telling that college person should teach everything. My dear friends, my dear father and mother, this is your responsibility. Bring the changes in your life. So a school person will teach you Hindi, Telugu, Maths, Science, Social. They don't teach you character. They don't teach you to help others. Stories are there. So first they don't have the time. FA1, FA2, SA1, SA2, lot of exams and lot of project works are there. They in school and colleges 1 year, parents, students, teacher, management, all of them are busy. But no one is telling the ethics. No one is explaining him to respect elders. No one is telling that help, support others. Now who is supporting? I am thinking I want only benefit. So I am sending my son and daughter to school that my son and daughter should get the benefit. What about others? I don't think about others. Only my son and daughter. So same way the son and daughter are thinking, no, I only want. So why they will help? Why they will help to father and mother when you are thinking? This is our thinking. So bring the changes in where we should bring the changes. We should bring the changes in our mind. Now start to help. To whom we should help? No, I want to change the whole school. No, you change your son and daughter. You give one half roti, give one half bread extra and tell them to help and give those friends who want to eat. You help them. So this teaching parents should teach. But now no, we want to get the benefit. We are not means giving. If you give to others, if you give, what we are giving others? Free advices. We are giving the people only free advices. We are not helping with any money. Whatever zakat compulsory item is there, that is only we are giving. Remaining, we forget what is the meaning in the Islam. Khair khairat. No, only whatever the compulsory in the month of Ramadan only we are paying zakat. Remaining we are forgetting. We are not helping any needy person. So only we are telling with the mouth only. We are advising, free advising. So my dear friends, bring the changes means give the valuable teaching of Islam. All the means how to sit, how to get up, how to respect others. So when you respect to others, how will you respect? So you go and meet your relatives. Now once I become the rich, I am not meeting those family members who are very poor. Once they call come, so I am telling to my parent. Even I am not telling the parent to the son and daughter that they are my relatives because I become the rich. Because I am become the rich. So please bring the changes in your thinking. So please comment me, suggest me and advise me. Thank you for watching my videos.